Well, looks like this place is crowded today. Look at that. Oh, look at this. People are from all over. There's thousands of people every day coming over here, Millennium Park. We're gonna see if we could go to the ramp and get a little closer. I heard folks talking about that beautiful sculpture, and nobody knew what the sculpture was all about. Yeah, definitely. A lot of folks from all over the world coming in here. Taking pictures, short videos. Yeah. Pretty neat. Yeah. Everybody enjoying themselves. See me riding in my scooter over there. Now we're gonna go and get a hot dog over there in a little bit. Oh, very interesting. Okay, let's go around. Yeah, folks from everywhere coming over here visiting. Well, Chicago got quite a bit to offer. A lot of different places you could see. Now we're going to go down to the water fountain. Waterfall, I should say. There are a couple interesting. I got some tents over there. I don't know what they are. Oh, we can go through here and we see. There are some folks down there.
Okay.
Looks like they preparing this greens for. Oh, there's some kind of concert going on over there. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to get a little closer. I believe it's open to the public. Come on, audience, I'm going to see if I can get a little closer. Oh, some beautiful music. Oh, we're going to go up in the ramp. Got some beautiful orchestra. Let's see if we get up close. Grand Park Music Festival. Yeah, we are able to get over here.